Are you tired of chasing after women day after day? Have you tried every trick in the book and nothing seems to stick? Well, we're here to help you flip the script. In this video, we're going to equip you with secrets to make any woman chase you. From being a challenge to keeping you on her toes, your days of chasing women are now over. Number 5. Don't try too hard. Trying too hard is indicative of a lot of things, but the worst thing it indicates is that you're trying to force a connection. That's your cue that it's the wrong approach. Quite frankly, it shouldn't sit well with you either. Now, how do you win a woman's heart over without appearing like a try-harder? Firstly, confidence is key. You need to be assertive in your approach, but not desperate. Show her that you're interested, but don't make it your sole mission in life. It's like the age-old advice: be interested, but not too interested. Maintaining an air of mystery is another vital element. Don't always be readily available or the one constantly initiating contact. Let her anticipate your next move so her intrigue can make her curiosity peak. In the end, the message that you want to send her is that you're interested, but you're not about to go overboard or lose your sense of self in the process. When she grasps this, she's going to step up in her efforts to please you. Number 4. Be a challenge. You must have all heard the phrase, "You should always play hard to get." But have you ever wondered why does this work? It's simply because human psychology loves a challenge. You're wired to value things that you work hard for, and surprisingly, the dating world is no anomaly. If you don't allow her to make efforts to please you, she'll never understand your value. However, the idea here is not to play hard to get just for the sake of it. You're doing it so you can create a sense of excitement and intrigue that naturally draws someone towards you. Now, the question is, how do you become a challenge? Well, for starters, don't be a pushover. Be open, but challenge your ideas and opinions where you think they don't align with yours. When you demonstrate confidence in yourself, women are attracted to you. They love a man who's not afraid to speak his mind, and most importantly, they love an exciting challenge. So, give them the thrill of the chase. They'll come running every time. Number 3. Avoid showing desperation. One common mistake men make is that they overwhelm the women they're interested in by bombarding her with texts, emails, or phone calls. Whenever she lifts her phone, your name is the only thing that pops up. While it's important to stay connected, this approach will backfire on you like a shotgun. You're coming off as too desperate, and dare we say, unattractive. The thing is, whenever you're not together, you need to show her that you have your own life. Your life doesn't revolve around her. Did you make sure she had fun when you were together last time? Then you need to back off and give her room to miss you. If you keep on chasing after her, how will you give her the chance to do it? Try to limit your communication to a few times a week and give her space to respond. Remember, your goal is to make her want to chase you, not the other way around. By avoiding excessive communication, you're giving her a chance to do so. Number 2. Have fun together. The best way to make a woman chase you is to make sure of one thing, and one thing only. Whenever she's with you, she has the best time of her life. How can you do that? It's actually quite simple. All you need to do is find out her interests or hobbies and plan your date around it. If she's a sports enthusiast, you can take her out to a ball game. Do you see what you're doing? You're just finding out what tickles her fancy and making it happen. And the best part is that having fun together doesn't need a hefty budget. Even the simplest activities, like taking a walk or having a cozy movie night, can be just as memorable. It's the quality, not quantity, that counts. When she starts associating fun experiences with you, she'll keep on looking forward to spending more time with you. And if that's not a reason for her to chase you, well, it definitely is. Number 1. Be present. One surefire way to make her want to chase you is by giving her your undivided attention when she's with you. The last bit is important, and you'll understand why in a moment. However, For this secret, what you need to do is put that phone away and make her the center of your world during your time together. Because when she feels that you're genuinely invested in the moment, she will naturally feel attracted to you. Think about your time together as a window to actually show how important she is to you. Show her that you value the time spent on her, and when she's with you, nothing else takes priority. Now, whenever she's away from you, and you're busy in your life, she'll want to initiate more dates and put her best foot forward to be with you. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments. What resonated with you the most? What steps are you taking on your journey? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more content like this.